Hello, my name is Wahid, and I'm going to show you how to use your Windows 11 desktop to just redefine your display setting, and also maybe the display setting option is easy. You just go there and you just select a different setting every time you just change it. The resolution, if I want it like a smaller here, I can just change that one, and then now the display is smaller. And if I just want to make it 100% rather than 125 or any other number, I could do that one. This would look like this. But let's just change it to the settings so I can see a lot of these options here easily. And I can read the options that we have. What I want to just change this time is the background. On Windows 11 operating system, which I have Windows 11 Professional edition, and this one has more option here. You can click on open terminals and other stuff. Let's just do the setting here again. I'm gonna close this. I wanna just change the display setting first so you can see it bigger. I'm gonna make it 150. And now you can see the icons much bigger and everything. So the text is also larger. Right here, there's the option say show more options. When you do show more option, you also get personalization. So for personalization, you can change the background images. For example, I can do the default one. When I do the default one here, you notice that this nice background image shows up. However, with the personalization of the default one, you don't go to the show next page. Let me just do another image, which has more option here. So I go to personalization. This time I use this one. And when you do choose this one, the background image obviously changed to this very nice background, which is kind of exotic for a background to have all those colorful images. Yet here, notice it says next desktop background. So every time you click it, you could have a different desktop background. And based on that one, you could make a decision whether you want to keep that one or you go to the next one. So if I just go through it, you will see all these options that are available for you for that images. This is the one that we had. So this time I'm gonna go say show more option here again, and then go to personalization. Under personalization, we already went through these three. Let's go through this nice view that we have of the sun and then the trees and water mountain. So here, that is the image that comes in, but notice again, next desktop background, you can get a different background. If you like that one, you keep it. If you don't, you just go to the next one, just until you choose the one that you like the most. And then if you, whatever one that you prefer, you can set it as your default one. And then after that one, start working on the background images. So this is like all these options that we went through, different backgrounds. And then the one I like is either this one or the other one with the trees. This one is very nice, and it's a lot of shade in these trees. If you get a picnic there, and then nice water and everything. And then the sun is almost sunsetting or maybe rising. I don't know what time it is, so we can't tell if it is going down or going up. Let's just go to show more option here under personalization, see what other option we have. This is another nice background that we have here. So this would be the background, and if you just say next image, every time you click on next desktop background, you get a different background. Whichever one you like, you keep it. So out of all of those ones, I think the one that wins the most is honestly, every one of them is great. And you can download more from the web, that you can just go there and set your background colors and slideshows and everything. But at this time, I'm going to choose this one, which is the one that I started with. And that's my desktop here. I like the dark background here. However, if you go to the Microsoft Edge, and some of the videos that you click on, each area that you click, you have a different kind of background depending on the setting that you choose. And then as you can see on the zoom, I have one white background, and then here I have full background of dark. So thanks for watching. Please make sure that you go to our YouTube channel. This was an easy video that was short, that we just showed you how to choose by right clicking on the desktop and choose either personalize or display setting, and or show more option, or go through them. And if you want to sort the icons here, you can sort them by names or sort them by size. And this is just Windows. It's very simple to use, and all you have to do is click a few buttons and it does the work for you. Take care, have fun, bye.